welcome my luminous tribe. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you have enjoyed your Eid, your Raksha Bandhan, and also the new moon that's arisen this month. I first of all would like to thank you for all your likes, your supports, your share, and the subscription that you've done. So thanks a lot for that. I'm back with a quick pick a card reading here. This is a pick a card timeless reading, which is who's coming towards you in terms of love, in terms of relationship, what's happening in terms of love, in terms of relationship. It's a timeless reading, so just take whatever resonates. Whichever does not resonate, let it fly. If you would like to book a personal reading, please feel free to log into my website, which is luminousguide.com, and you can book a personal reading in advance. So as usual, I have two piles here. One is pile 1, okay, and pile 2, to help you understand better. I mean, you have an option. You can either pick both the piles, or you can pick any one pile that calls out to you to help you guys decide and choose better. I have kept the stones here. This is amethyst. This is amethyst. Take a look at this. Beautiful amethyst. This is rose quartz. Okay. Along with that, we've also kept here Lady Nada, Heart Awakening. So let me just pick this card for you. Lady Nada, Heart Awakening. Okay. And then we have Isis, which is magic manifesting. Okay, so I'm going to start with the reading. Please feel free to pick your card intuitively, as usual, and let's hop on to your reading right away. This is for pile number 1, Lady Nada. Now, this is from the Keepers of the Light Oracle deck. The very fact that if you have been you've been attracted towards this card, okay, Lady Nada, it also talks about heart awakening. Awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. So this is something that's an advice that is given to you by your spirit guides, your angels. lot of emotions, lot of love. There is a lot of love. This person, whoever is the person that you're thinking about, does not matter whether it's a female or a male. It's a general reading, right? So, and also you can read the energies vice versa. Okay, definitely does have a lot of emotions, a lot of love to give, a lot of love to give, but is not moving ahead. I think you both are in separation at this point in time, and there's a delay. This person is not coming to you. Maybe you both are blocked each other. There's some sort of block communication, and definitely it's exhausting. With this 10 of Wands, you feel like all the burden is on you because this person is not communicating with you. You are totally in separation at this point in time. There is definitely a lot of blocked energy is what I see only with the tarot, right? You need to look at things in different perspective, but there is certainly a delay at this point in time. Just taking a look at your tarot cards, I don't see this person is coming anytime sooner to you, because this is getting extremely exhausting. You are getting extremely exhausted with this kind of relationship that you're in, because this person is just not moving ahead. There is a lot of love, there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of emotions, but if this person is not going to make his move or her move, what are you going to do about it? You're definitely going to feel very burdened at this point in time. Let's clarify from this card. Seer, you need to go in the hermit mode. Okay, so we've got the number 9, which is the hermit card, which says take a break. Okay, a commitment, be committed to your spiritual growth. So this is from the fairy tarot cards, another tarot card. So I think what you need to do is stop being burdened. You need to go into the entire Zen mode. You need to go into that break mode at this point in time. You need to take a stand for yourself. And then we've got the number 11 here, which is the strength card. Obviously, that means you need to work on your grace, your inner strength. You need to work on your self-love. You need to work on your power. You need to work on yourself. At this point in time, I think self-love, self-strength, getting rid of this burdened relationship is extremely important. And we've got the Fool's card, or the Dreamer. That means there is somebody new coming your way. So I think, yes, there is somebody new who is coming your way. Could be stalking your social media, but you must have not been interested in this person because you're still stuck in this old energy. And then we have the World card. Definitely there is somebody coming your way, but you need to release that karmic cycle that you're in right now. See, at the end of the day, these are the energy from the tarot and the oracle decks that I pick up, but the decision is yours, whether you want to wait for this person who has blocked you, or you want to move on and look for somebody else who's coming your way. The decision is absolutely yours. Okay. Also, Lady Nada says awaken your heart. So what happens is, with all this possibility, your heart could be blocked as well. And what's the point of so much of love and passion when you don't have it with you, right? When somebody needs to give it to you, when somebody is giving it to you, you can accept that. The decision is totally yours. I'm not saying jump right on it. I'm just saying this is what the cards are saying. From the Romance Oracles, we get possibilities of great love. So it says, keep an open mind and heart. Your soulmate may not always fit your checklist. Everyone is different. So are you? Yes. So you keep an open mind for this new person who is coming your way. Or keep in mind to the possibilities that is happening right now. Separation, physically disconnected. Of course, you both are physically disconnected. Maybe it's a long distance relationship. Maybe you guys have had a fight or something like that, and hence there is a separation right now. But there is a great possibility that it's not that you don't have love. You definitely do have love. You need to have love for yourself, and you need to have love for others who's coming your way. Oh, see, there it is, new love. Like I said, my God, this is so crazy. I love it when I get the resonated cards, or I get like a double verification. I just love it. And believe me or not, I don't see these cards prior. I shuffle them. They're pre-shuffled and they're just hand-picked. Okay, but this is perfect. So whose ever energy, I think I'm picking up somebody specific's energy, although it's for the collective, but I think it's one person that I'm speaking to. I do not know who you are, but whoever you are, please comment below and tell me it's you. Or how do you find this reading? Someone new is seeking your attention, stirring into new romantic feelings. It's your turn to decide, my friend. It's your turn to decide, okay? And let me just tell you by when this person will be coming. So I have the months here. Maybe next March. Like you guys may be meeting each other, or July or next March or June. So March, June, July, okay, one of those. So overall the message that we have for your reading is awaken your heart to new possibilities. You could be having somebody new coming. For some of you, it's up to you what you need to decide. Strengthen yourself, go into the hermit mode, go into the self-reflecting mode, and try and understand whether you want to be stuck in this old energy or you want to move out from this old energy and go into a possibility of new love. So it's absolutely your decision. I hope you guys like this reading. If this resonated with you, please feel free to comment, share, like and subscribe, and I shall go in the next reading. Okay, so whoever picked up this rose quartz, and let me read this first for you. Isis, goddess Isis, magic manifesting. Your dreams, visions and goals are become reality. Stay focused. So this card is telling you that whatever you are manifesting, stay focused. Your dreams are turning into reality. Your visions are turning into reality. So whatever is that you're manifesting, or whomsoever that you're trying to manifest in your relationship, stay focused is what is the message that we get here. We'll check this a little later. Let's talk about your tarot. We have Queen of Pentacles, Earth energy, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Could be you, could be the other person. So this is Queen of Pentacles. Oh wow. We have the King of Pentacles. So it's like a perfect couple, the Queen and the King of Pentacles. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn energy. Either you could be Earth sign or the person could be Earth sign. It's a perfect couple. So let's see what else is coming up. Oh no. We have the Three of Swords. So that's an air sign. Could be a third party situation that you're dealing with. It's a possibility. Oh, and we have Eight of Cups. So somebody walked away. Yeah, somebody is walking away. Somebody walked away. This is water sign. So, but I see very strongly Earth sign over here. Although we have water sign, that is Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, and we have air sign. But I see very strongly Earth sign. See, now you both are a perfect couple, right? Twin flame, soulmate energy, whatever you call it. It's a perfect couple, but then you are not looking at each other. You are looking away from each other, right? You are not together. There could be some sort of separation. Maybe one of you have walked away from this relationship. Could be the other person or could be you. I do not know. Please comment and let me know, because there could be a third party situation. Now, third party situation does not necessarily mean that there is some other a significant person involved. Could be a third party situation for work wise, could be a mother factor, family factor, any third party that has affected your relationship so badly that one person had to walk away. That one person was so fed up of this heartache, so fed up of this trauma, that this person had to walk away. But overall energy, I feel that there's a magic manifesting. You are manifesting something. So let's find out, what are you manifesting. Okay, so the Moon card, obviously we are talking about a lot of emotions, बहुत ज़्यादा रोना धोना. So somebody has cried a lot in this. There is some sort of secrecy also. There is some sort of information that you do not know about, and that's why you or the person has walked away. But I think this is more for the viewer. My viewer who's watching this has walked away from this relationship. Be intuitive, okay? Work on your intuition. At the end of the day, think, not only from your heart, understand the situation, understand the truth. Try and understand what created this third party situation and why you had to walk away. because the next card that I strongly see is the Chariot. That means the person is coming. Okay, whether you want to take this person back or no, that's your decision, but the person is definitely coming. Okay, the Chariot card, that's a very positive card. It shows that the person is coming. Whether you want to take the person or no, it's your decision now. So it's absolutely about you. Have you been manifesting the person to come back? That's another question that you need to ask. We also have the Star card. Means this is definitely a soulmate connection. This is a connection. This is something that is from above. Okay, ye likha hua hai, that says. So it is a soulmate connection. Look to the future with hope and optimism. So look at the future with hope and optimism. You need to get into a balance. Okay, this is definitely a person. See, it's not necessary that all your soulmates need to be in your life, right? Or whoever you think is your soulmate, you have to end up with the person. It's your decision whether you want to take this person back or no. You need to analyze what has been the pain and have you evolved. So now I'm going through a different training altogether, but have you been manifesting for this person to come back? Because this is likhawa, this is a star card, this is blessings from above. So maybe the person has realized that, you know, he's hurt you or she's hurt you and is coming back. Because I see this beautiful card, which is the Lovers card. It's a Gemini as well, maybe, may not be. That means you both are soulmate. At the end of the day, this is hands on the table. There is nothing I can do about it. It's a soulmate. Not right now in connection. There is separation. Somebody has walked away, but this person is coming. There has been a lot of crying that has happened over this. Yes, it is coming. So let's check from here. Okay, this says let it go. Let go of control issues and allow the situation to unfold naturally. So the message that you get is let it go. Okay, if you have walked away, it's okay, let it go, because this person is coming at the end of the day. So allow the situation to unfold naturally. Or this person is also keeping an eye on you very closely, watching you very closely, maybe stalking your social media, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media. This person could be stalking your social media. That's a possibility. Okay, and blast from the past. Wow, see, this is something that I really like about the readings. When I get to know that there's a confirmation, this blast from the past is coming. You have known each other before. This could also be a past life relationship, childhood love, and ex. You're familiar with this energy. This is a soulmate connection, my friends. At the end of the day, whether you like it or no, this person is coming towards you. Whether you want to take this person or no, it's your decision. Let me comment below and let me know if this reading resonates with you. I will just pick up the months, which I've also done for the other group. They could be coming in the month of February, so there could be a lot of planning and plotting happening at this point in time. January, September, anywhere between January to September. Let me just pick up one more. December. Okay, anywhere between this year December to next year September, you should be expecting this person either to communicate, go one step ahead, you know, to unblock or whatever. There will be some sort of communication happening. This person will definitely be coming either through a message or whatever, but this person is coming very, very strongly. Okay, so be prepared for that. I hope this reading resonated with you guys. If it did, please like, share and comment below. Definitely comment and tell me how this reading has resonated, and also go to luminousguide.com for a personal reading if you would like so. All right, thanks a lot. I appreciate all your all the blessings that you have bestowed upon Luminous Guide. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye bye, take care.